What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and we got something special for you guys in this one. But before I get into the video, please be advised, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky, it is very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys, because you don't want to get wrecked out here. Stay safe. As you can see, I got my channel pulled up, Meme Coin Daily, 97 subscribers, 3 more to 100 subscribers. It really helps out if you guys could support the channel, because as I cover projects in the future, you never know, when I cover your project, it gets a lot of attention, and then you get more people that join your community because of my channel. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate any support on the channel. Now let's pull up Dex Tools for you guys. Top 10 Dex Tools projects we have. Number 1, we got Gen Block Top. Number 2 is Tama, Tax Heaveny, Dosa, YDF, Bone, Hex, Kitsune, X2Y2, and Ka. All good projects, but in this video, we're going to be checking out a very interesting, very innovative project that I saw making a lot of noise on crypto Twitter. Everybody and their mama was talking about this project and how it looks. This is the time I personally would buy a chart. In this video, we're going to be checking out Ethereum Hive EHIVE for short. That's the ticker. And from what I'm seeing in this chart at EHIVE, guys, I like this chart. This is a chart I would definitely toss some money at. Not financial advice, but I like to see when a chart is sideways accumulating right now, because as you can see, had to move up, came back down for a little retrace. It might go a bit lower, you know what I'm saying? Nice time to DCA in. Might continue sideways for a bit, and then get some catalyst or some news, or the market turns bullish, and all of a sudden it starts moving up to the upside. You're not buying that. You're not buying the all-time high, which is great. So it's a good time to get in, bro. In my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, a lot of noise on crypto Twitter. A lot of people talking about it. The reason why it's so special. Let's check out the Uniswap information first, and then I'll go to the website for you guys. Total liquidity, 546k in liquidity, really nice. 65k in trade volume, very good. When it gets on, I'm not sure if it's on any exchanges as yet, but this is great volume for just being on Uniswap, if it's just on Uniswap. Holders, 2.9k holders. That is a great amount of holders. Most degen projects don't make it to 1k holders. Ton of upside with this project, and we're gonna hop into the website now to see exactly what the project is about. Ethereum Hive, the future of Ethereum validators. Contribute to the future of Ethereum today by building the structure for tomorrow. Now, as you can see right here, this is the contract. This is the price. Alright, so let's scroll down a bit to read what the project is about. Preparing today to build tomorrow. Stake your EHIVE tokens in our community validators to earn a share of the validators' ETH rewards, as well as EHIVE tokens. So you guys know, after the Ethereum merge, they moved to proof of stake. Now you could stake your Ethereum, and they're using sharding technology. With staking your Ethereum, there's validators that you could provide, validator nodes. But the average node, I think, cost around $50,000, which the average person can't afford. So with EHIVE, just to break it down for you guys, with EHIVE, when you stake your EHIVE and you're a part of the staking pool, EHIVE also has ETH validators that they created, that they put together on the technical aspect and everything like that, software, hardware aspect, and you would get a portion of the EHIVE staking rewards plus the ETH validator rewards as well, which I think is very innovative, and that's why I said this project has a lot more upside, bright future ahead of it. Let's continue on. All ETH earned by the validator is distributed to EHIVE stakers. As the EHIVE validators will be created by the EHIVE token tax, all ETH generated by the validator will be distributed to staked EHIVE community members. Just like I said, once you stake your EHIVE, you get the ETH validator rewards. You're the average guy, you can't afford a ETH validator, you don't know how to set it up technically as well, like running a node on your computer. You could do it through EHIVE. This allows the EHIVE community to crowdsource their validators and allow users of all levels to participate in the rewards. Users of all levels. So if you're just entry level into crypto, you could still get some of that ETH validator node staking rewards. Distribute your EHIVE tokens across multiple validators. As the EHIVE community grows, so will our fleet of validators. As the EHIVE community adds more validators to the staking pool, users can choose which validator they would like to support, earning a portion of the selected validators rewards. So you could choose, like, say they have 10 validators set up, you could pick which one you want to be a part of, because even on Harmony network there's a bunch of validators as well that you could be a part of on Harmony 1. Whether you support all the validators with split stakes or one with all your tokens, it is up to you to decide your distributions. I didn't even, okay, that's interesting. So you don't have to put all your stake tokens in one place. You could do a split. You could put portions of your stake tokens on this validator, portions of your stake tokens on the next validator, which is pretty cool. Okay, earn EHIVE tokens along with your ETH rewards. Yep, which is the major selling point of this project. Each EHIVE stake will earn both ETH and EHIVE tokens at the same time. EHIVE will originally launch with 50% of the total supply minted, with the other 50% being mineable by staked users over the coming years. Okay, so 50% is minted already, 50% in circulation, and 50% which provides the staking rewards, and it's also done through tax on the buy and sell. Rewarding our participants is what the EHIVE community is here to do. What are the earnings? Buy, validate, earn. EHIVE allows decentralized finance users to participate in the Ethereum validator operations without the hassle of support or the risk of collateral. Each validator is funded through our trading fees, and all rewards are paid out to our users. To participate, all you need to do is purchase and stake EHIVE in our dashboard, sit back and watch your rewards accumulate. Currently, 55% of the Ethereum validators are owned by 4 addresses. EHIVE aims to change that. If you value the decentralization of the Ethereum network as much as we do, we encourage you to join EHIVE today. And down here we got the roadmap, the launch, contract artist, CMC, CoinGecko, on-site swap, website charting, white paper, V1, validators launch. So the validators are live already. Okay, I'm not sure how many are live, but you guys can let me know in the comment section. First ETH distributions. Okay, still loading that up. Validator status updates, community validator competitions, EHIVE custom swap, CEX listings, validator ETH.2 manifesto. CEX listings are live too. Okay, EHIVE. Okay, next we have the dashboard. $67,000 total EHIVE rewards generated from validators. Crazy stuff, y'all. So the project is being used. There's 2.9k people in this project, man. Even if everyone doesn't have their projects, their coin staked, the project is definitely making some noise in the space. Stake EHIVE to earn with the validators. This is Validate tab. Support the ETH network by staking your tokens in our validators. So this is the layout where you would stake your coins, and you get 64% APY. 64% APY is a very good range for staking rewards. It's nothing too crazy where you think, oh, this gotta be a scam, like 100,000% or something. 64% is right in that range. I think PancakeSwap has a similar range of 30 to 60%. So that's pretty good right there. I like what I see. They have a swap on their website already. You can check out the chart. Like I said, maybe I feel like it might retrace a little bit, hit this support level, then continue up. But yeah, great buying opportunity on this chart. You know what I'm saying? Going sideways, accumulating, and yeah, looks pretty good for me. Pull up CMC real quick to see the exchange that EHIVE is listed on. EHIVE, y'all, look at this. 3,009 people that got it on their watch list. The community, that shows me that the community, the EHIVE army, is very strong. Most of the coins that get launched on ETH don't even make it to 1,000 people on their watch list. 3,000 people here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros that it gotta eat for $1. 80k in trade volume. Scroll down. EHIVE best crypto with big potential. EHIVE send it. Lotto ticket, we going up. Let's see. Okay, so it's listed on IndoX exchange. Okay, I mean, they're putting in that work. One exchange already, more exchanges in the future. I'm sure of it. I'm sure they'll have way more exchange listings. Everything looking great so far, guys. Let's check out their official Twitter, and then go to like the hashtag EHIVE or $EHIVE. See what other people are saying about it on Twitter. Okay, pinned. Our white paper V2 is now out. Okay, so they updated their white paper, which is great. Website V2, the overhaul is now out. We will be releasing the development logs, which includes more tomorrow. Nice stuff. The EHIVE swarm is constantly growing. Come join one of the best communities in the space. And you know, they're not just saying that, because look at the likes and retweets. 174 likes and 78 retweets now, okay? 130 likes, 98 retweets, recently tweeted. So yeah, the dev team is putting in that work. Oh, I forgot to mention, 22.5k followers from what I'm seeing. They got a lot of people in the space that are bullish on this project, bro. So many exciting things coming to EHIVE that I would love to address. But who doesn't like surprises every now and then? Sometimes you gotta remember to keep the thrill going by staying. Okay, this is Sierra, EHIVE project lead. Okay, so he's one of the team members, full stack developer. Y'all putting in work. What's his name? Cicero, you putting in that work, fam. Congrats to you, man. Keep up the great work. Now we're gonna hop into what the fellow retail investors like myself saying about EHIVE. Let's go with the hashtag EHIVE and see what we get. EHIVE is the only project I invest in daily. The 64.8% APR for staking plus the ETH rewards is just a no-brainer. Come check out the this base community and dev. From what I'm seeing, 30 likes, 40 retweets. When was this tweet? 4 hours ago. Community looking strong, guys. Community, great dev putting in that work, great dev team putting in that work, and a strong community. That's what you gotta look for in a project, man, and use case as well. But sometimes a project doesn't even have to have use case. All it needs is a great community and a great dev to, like, you know, keep, you know, coming up with new things to get the investors hyped. But yeah, this project does have great utility from what I could see. Nathan, 17 hours ago, EHIVE is 100% blue chip in the making. Massive utility, community is thriving, and team continues to deliver 100x gem easily. I wouldn't be shocked it pulls 100x, y'all. Crypto Bitlord, big account, 229k followers, guys. WCI ripping nicely on the Volt partnership. Got some comments telling me to check out WCI and Volt. My EHIVE bag is also carrying the weight through this week. Okay. Big accounts, Crypto Bitlord like in EHIVE. That was yesterday. Not too long ago, 18 hours ago, guys. Let's pull up tokens for to see the taxes real quick. So we got 6%. We got 6% on the buy and sell. That's not bad at all. Has to have some type of way to fund the project. So I can understand that, you know what I'm saying? The taxes are for getting all the validator nodes set up properly, getting all the equipment and everything like that, what the dev team needs for marketing and setting up the validator nodes. And yeah, as long as they can maintain that trade volume, as long as they could keep up that trade volume, people buying and selling consistently on Uniswap and future exchanges, you never know how far this project could go, man. It looks like it has a bright future ahead. Last thing we're gonna check out is the Telegram to see what the community is like, see what the community is saying in the Telegram. Love this part of the video, because if the Telegram is dead, I feel kind of iffy about it, you know what I'm saying? So let's see. Hold on, guys. I'm pulling up the Telegram, going through the authentication process to prove I'm not a robot, and it's on their website. Like, huh? This is the first I saw this. That little detail is a lot to me, you know what I'm saying? That little detail shows the devs are really putting in that work, and I love to see that. Okay, guys, I've been going for the Telegram, and a little detail I picked up on that I really love to see as well is the branding of the project. The whole EHIVE bees, you know, working together as a hive mind, a hive community. You know what I'm saying, with the emojis of bees and people sharing like saying I am queen bee. Like that is a great thing to have for the community, so everyone feels like they're coming together. Buys coming in, you smart. Big boom is coming, be ready. Like the vibe. I'm liking the vibe, yeah. I'm liking the vibe, and I see some names that I'm familiar with on crypto Twitter that are in the project as well. I love what I see for this project, man. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I see a bright future for this project, guys. This is not financial advice. That's just my opinion from going through everything on EHIVE in this video. If you guys enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could show some love to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. I'll definitely do my best to make more videos on EHIVE and track the process of where it's going. And EHIVE Army, if you're watching, thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. 100 subscribers, free away. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.